The NIST Cybersecurity Framework, or CSF in short, is a powerful tool for addressing cyber risks and safeguarding your organization. By aligning policy, business, and technology, it provides a prioritized, flexible, and cost effective approach to cybersecurity. Let's explore the crucial gather information function within the CSF and how it enhances your cybersecurity efforts. The gather information function plays a pivotal role in identifying, assessing, and managing cyber risks. It involves activities such as asset identification, vulnerability identification, a lot of other things which we are going to see in summary in this video. By effectively implementing these activities, organizations can mitigate risks and protect their critical infrastructure. Now let's have a look at these few of these activities. First one is asset identification. What it means is to identify all critical information systems within your organization to prioritize security efforts and ensure their protection. Then comes vulnerability identification, which means to uncover security weaknesses in your system to prioritize remediation and patch critical vulnerabilities. Then we have threat identification, which entails to identifying potential adversaries, targeting your information systems to develop tailored security controls against these threats. Then you need to do risk assessments, which basically assesses the likelihood and impact of cyber risks to prioritize security investments and mitigate the most critical risks. Then you have control development, which means to develop and implement appropriate controls to effectively mitigate cyber risks, ensuring alignment with your business needs. So this is all what there is to it in gather information. So you can now see that the gather information function in CSF is indispensable for a comprehensive implementation of the NIST framework. It empowers organizations to analyze their assets, systems, and processes to identify risk accurately and implement the necessary control to mitigate them effectively. Enhancing cybersecurity is a top priority in today's digital landscape. By leveraging the NIST cybersecurity framework and utilizing the gather information function, organizations can proactively protect their valuable assets from cyber threats. I hope that you found it useful. Thanks for listening.